Hi and welcome back to this Bizanosa.com WordPress tutorial. So if you look at our dashboard, you can see I already have 8 posts. I've been able to create more posts. In this video, I want us to take a look at post categories and tags as well. So if you want to learn more about categories, just go to Google and search for WordPress categories and WordPress tags. Categories provide a way to group related posts, and if you go to tags, it's just the same thing. Tags provide a way to group related posts. So the difference is that if you go to this categories versus tags, you'll find that you don't need to use lots of categories. You can use categories efficiently by simply grouping posts together in a broader sense. Then you can use tags to specify a post, and the tags will help a reader to know what the post is about. So let's go and see all the posts. So these are the posts that I have been able to create. You can also create more posts, which will enable you to follow along with me. So you see, I've added tags to most of the posts. I've also added categories to some of the posts. Some have the same categories. You can actually put as many categories as you want in one particular post. One post can have more than one category and can have more than one tag. So let's go and take a look at categories. So here under categories, you see I currently have 2 major categories. I also have uncategorized, which is a default category and cannot be deleted. If you don't like uncategorized, you can just edit this, give it a different name. Let me call it hanging post. Then I can give it a slug. A slug is the link to it, so I'll just call this hanging. Then do you want it to have a parent? No. Having a parent means it simply exists under another category. So you'll update. You can also create new categories right here. Just give it a name. Let's say celebrity. If you don't add anything here, it will automatically use this. You can change the slug to whatever you want. The slug is the URL friendly link. For example, if you want to go to this category, it will be Bizanosa. Let's say this was Bizanosa.com. You'd go to Bizanosa.com/celeb and you'll be able to see all the posts that have been categorized under celebrity. Do you want it to have a parent? I don't want it to have a parent. If it was to have a parent, it would simply exist under another category. Then you can give it a description. This is good for search engine optimization. So you'll click on add new category to add it, and if we come here, you'll see that we have created the celebrity. You can edit it, you can view it. Right now it doesn't have any posts, so under this we can view to see which posts we have. And we take a look, you'll see that we have 2 posts here. So if you want to delete, you can just come here and delete. You can also delete all of them except for the default post, which we changed the name. It was uncategorized and we've changed the name to hanging posts. So you can delete, just select, click there to select all of them, or select the few that you want to delete. Then you'll come here and delete, select delete, then apply. I don't want to do that. If you have so many categories, you can come here and search for them. That's it for categories. Let's go to tags. As we said, categories are simply a way to group your posts. So if you go to tags, you can do the same things for tags. You can create as many of them as you want. You can add a new one right here. You can change the slug for it. You can add a description for each of them. Then of course you come here, click on add new. We've taken a look at each of these with categories. So another thing to note about categories and tags. Categories and tags are only available for posts and not pages. Pages do not support categories and tags. So there is no way to categorize pages. Okay, see you in the next video.